The story that we're going to be reading today is titled Queen Bee and Her Unsightly Ensemble. Once upon a time in the land of Fab, there lived a queen named Bedazzled who adored clothes. She was certain that she had an eye for fashion and would force her talented seamstress, Dahlia von Thimble, to create new outfits galore. And Dahlia, who truly did have an eye for good clothes, faithfully fulfilled Her Majesty's desires. She created closets and closets and closets full of stunning and astonishing attire. Dahlia made blouses of glistening gold cloth. They shined like the northern lights. She sewed satin gowns with her French lace. They were as delicate as water lilies. She decorated jackets with diamonds, sapphires, and emeralds that sparkled like meteor showers. Aren't I fabulous? Bee would boast, all puffed with pride. She loved parading through her kingdom with her eye-catching ensembles. She hoped to make all who gazed upon her green with envy. I just love the queen's sense of style, said the baker. I've never seen fashion like hers, called the cheesemaker. Fabulous, 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 heaved the flower arranger. Everywhere Queen Bee went, photographers followed her. They all wanted to get the perfect shot of her in her latest fashion. Queen Bee had never gave Dahlia credit for her fashion designs. Never. Not even a thank you. The queen's hunger for clothes knew no bounds. She demanded a new outfit at each meal. She refused to wear the same thing twice. The long hours of designing and sewing wore poor Dahlia. But Dahlia knew a secret about Queen Bee. If it wasn't for Dahlia, the queen would have no fashion sense at all. I could dress her in garbage, she sighed, and she would think it would be glamorous. The people were saying, smile for the camera, give us a look. Your Majesty, over here. Still, Queen Bee was never satisfied and always wanting more. I'm tired of wearing this boring outfit, she demanded. Make me something new. I want something far more glamorous than this. Then I just might tell the kingdom that you are the talent behind my fashion sense. If you can't, you'll be enjoying a view of the royal dungeon. Dahlia was a patient seamstress, but she had her limits. The queen had finally pushed her too far, knowing full well that the prideful, tasteless Queen Bee would never know the difference. Dahlia made a plan. Something new, huh? Something more glamorous? I'll give her glamour. Garbage glamour. So Dahlia headed to the nearest dumpster and picked out a few items she could recycle. She made the most unsightly garbage ensemble for Queen Bee. And just as Dahlia had predicted, Queen Bee paraded through the land as if her outfit were made of diamonds, sapphires, and emeralds. I know fabulous fashion when I see it, boasted Queen Bee. And a very strange thing happened. Everyone who laid eyes on Queen Bee's garbage glam still thought it was beautiful, fashionable. Go figure. I must have one. The queen's gone green. Oh, so retro. Queen Bee finally gave credit to Dahlia. She told all the fashion magazines in Fab that Dahlia was the real talent behind the attire. Of course, Dahlia became the most popular fashion designer in all of Fab. Her trash bin dresses were all the rage. People couldn't get enough of them. It's pretty silly. The end.